People belonging to a particular society have similar norms and values. A society has a specific aim. It is very important for the members of a society to be united for its stability and progress. Let us study in detail about the need for society. When we live together in a society, we derive support from one another and our needs related with food, shelter, clothing, education, health, etc. are fulfilled. We use natural resources to satisfy these needs. As members of a society, we become aware of the close relationship between the natural environment and human life. Every individual has certain natural abilities and talents. These abilities and talents are developed in a society. The family, school, and other institutions provide opportunities for the all-round development of the individual. In a society, we become familiar with certain ideas and ideals such as democracy, secularism, and gender equality. With unity and cooperation, we can make efforts to nurture these desirable values. Change is a common feature of every society. Scientific and technological progress influences our social life, thoughts, and actions. At such times, it is important to preserve and promote good values. A scientific temper, preservation of human rights, equality, protection of the environment, and other such new ideas should be accepted. Every member of the society must feel from within that his society should progress. It is only under such circumstances that a society based on justice and equality will evolve. Coming to the social institutions. There are different kinds of institutions in a society. They carry out certain functions that are useful for the society. We shall study some of these social institutions. The family. The family is the first social institution in an individual's life. We are brought up in a family. The family environment has an effect on us. We are influenced by the way of life of our parents, grandparents, siblings, and other relatives. As a member of the family, each person can participate in the decision-making. Each member gets the opportunity to express his or her opinion. Every child in the family, be it a boy or a girl, gets equal opportunities for education and development. Children brought up in such a family environment learn to respect themselves as well as others. Thus, a family nurtures and encourages the qualities of cooperation, confidence, and respect. Every member of the family should try to maintain an open and friendly atmosphere. Elders in the family should be treated with respect. All members of a family should have equal status. This helps in creating society based on equality. The school. The school shapes our personality. It aims at developing responsible citizens for the future. Various competitions provide scope to our talents. Elocution competitions and debates help to develop the communication skills of students. Participation in sports helps nurture a team spirit. In school, students learn to develop different hobbies. The school plays an important role in the development of a happy and contented personality. The school provides opportunities for taking on challenges, showing courage, and accepting the responsibility for completing a task. Such opportunities are provided through activities like picnics, annual functions, field visits, the Scout and Guide movement, National Cadet Corps (NCC), and Maharashtra Cadet Corps MCC. It is the school where qualities such as cooperation, discipline and respect for rules develop. The village, town, city. People live in a village, town or city. This gives them the sense of being a part of a larger group. Each of us should have an affinity for our own village, town or city. We should all be eager and anxious for its development. We should know its geographical location and historical importance. We should contribute to the schemes of its development. Such participation on the part of the people helps build our attitude towards development. Every citizen should feel that they can bring about the development of their village, town or city.